Hi, I'm Andrew. I am the Google Sheets wizard at bettersheets.co. I make tools, templates, and tutorials for Google Sheet users. I've been coding AppScript for 10 years, and I wonder, is ChatGPT a better coder than me? We're going to put it to the test today. We're going to code something and then let ChatGPT code it as well. But in addition to that, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem in this video with formulas only. So you get to see formulas, see me code, and see ChatGPT code. So stick around for that. We're going to solve this problem 3 different ways, and I want to show you how to do it with formulas, with AppScript, and then we're going to ask ChatGPT to automate this and see what happens. We have a list of names and we want to organize these by number of characters. In formulas, we do this with len or length. With just this len, we can also make this array formula. Now we have 6 through 4, and now we can sort this. Now we're going to use sort. We're going to sort A2 : B. Sort column is going to do descending. This is false. And we get our sorted list from most characters to least characters. That's how we do it with formulas. But let's do it with AppScript. Let's go up to extensions, AppScript, write a function. Let's call it sort by length variable. S equals spreadsheet app sheet1 dot get sheet by name sheet1 column A equals S1 dot get range dot get values. Column A dot sort function AB, and we return A, the first length minus B length. Let's call this variable sorted. Redo this from B minus A. Test if it's working. Yes, we have Fernando, Andrew in the right order here. And now we just have to set this. So we'll do S1 dot get range, set values of sorted. Now we have these out of order. We'll run it to see if it works. And now we have the correct order here. So this is the app script that we have that works. If we want to make this nicer, we can add an onOpen function that runs this. Save. If we refresh our page, we have our custom menu here. And if we click sort column A, we have to give permission first time we run it. Let's try that again. Custom menu, sort column A. And now we have our column is sorted. We don't need an extra column. We can just sort the column A without this formula here anytime we want by the length of characters. Let's see if ChatGPT will get the exact answer. I wrote out this prompt. Hi, ChatGPT. How are you doing today? I want to write an app script for a task I'm doing. Can you please help me? I want to sort column A by the amount of characters in each cell, exclude the header row, first row, sort in descending order from most characters to least characters. What is the app script to do that? Let's copy that, put it into ChatGPT and see what it does. We have some answer here. Let's copy the code, paste it, and it's called function sort column by character count. We can actually add it to our menu here by just doing .add item column by character count. Save this and refresh our page. Back to our custom menu. Now we have sort with ChatGPT, and let's see if it works from the get-go. It says exception, the parameters don't match the method signature. It's saying it's in spreadsheet app.range. Down here we have active sheet, sheet.getRange A2 to 2 plus sheet last row. I don't think we need this sheet.getLastRow. I think this is fine. This is a pretty simple way to do it without naming the sheet. Get active sheet, get the range A2A, range.sort. And I see something going on right now. I think this is not getting the values. This is getting the actual range, but not getting the values. So we're going to change that. It needs to be .get values. We don't want to just get the range of A2 to A. We want the values of A2 to A. So let's see if that works now. It says range.sort column 1 ascending, but it's not getting the length of the words. Type error, the comparison function must be either a function or undefined. This is very wrong. This is getting column 1, sort of just saying column 1 sort, but we don't know how it's sorting. So let's see if we can change it. Please sort by the values of column A. Make sure to sort by the length of characters of each value of each cell. See if that helps. Now it is getting the values and it is getting the sort. So we had to be a little more specific here. Try again in our function sort column by character count. Still have our mixed up names. We have our custom menu. It works. So it took a little bit of knowledge of knowing that the first one wasn't going to work and those errors looked pretty gnarly. But once we figured out the error is in the fact that it wasn't getting the values and our sorting was definitely off, we were able to ask ChatGPT to actually get an answer that works. That's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed that video of me versus ChatGPT, a Google Sheets guru versus the machine. Hopefully you learned something new. You learned how to do it in formulas as well. If you are actually interested interested in learning AppScript from zero to hero, become a member at Better Sheets, and all of the courses are available for $9 a month over at bettersheets.co. You get courses, tutorials, and you also get tools to help you with your frustrations. If you're frustrated with formulas themselves and you want to generate them, I have a formula generator that's included in membership. Become a member of Better Sheets today.